I would agree a lot with what Rick has said, and of course they sounded like compliments, so I would have to. But in all fairness, I think if you look at what's happened with the Russian trade since 2013, it's just like Rick has said. I mean, if you look at the individual companies, if you're told that you're no longer exporting to this country, then you better find some other sources or some other places to export to. So the companies have managed to find that, and if you look at the overall export volumes, they have stayed pretty much where they are. So there's no growth, obviously, but there's been an ability to replace that demand with something else. So that's been a positive. The other area where you would see that is tourism. And so if you think about hotel overnighting's, Russia has been the biggest kind of source of income on that side in terms of being the largest nationality to visit Finland. Again, the visits are down by some 40% from their peak. But same story there as with the export, that it's been possible to replace that. So if you look at the Chinese, for example, now that's starting off from a much lower base, obviously, but that's up by 40%. And then with the other nationalities, quite sort of steady growth. So again, there's been an ability to sort of replace that hole. But I think, from my perspective, I think because it's all been very abrupt, I think it has come to a stop and it has sort of reached the bottom very quickly, and we see some signs of recovery now. This is the big question mark in a sense that it's very hard to say which direction it will go. Currency has a big impact to play, obviously the Russian economy, but we are seeing some signs for growth again.